Have you ever wondered why cracking your knuckles creates that distinct popping sound? Contrary to popular belief, it isn't the bones clicking or something breaking. The sound is caused by rapid formation of gases in the synovial fluid, creating a tiny cavity that instantly collapses. Scientists liken it to a miniature sonic boom in your joints, where the speed of the cavity formation and collapse determines the intensity of the sound. What's even more intriguing is how this ordinary action involves principles of fluid dynamics and negative pressure, the same concepts that explain how jet engines manage sonic booms. So, next time you crack your knuckles, know you're echoing the physics of speed itself.